All right, y'all. So we're gonna be doing the Chipotle Aioli today, which is basically known as like Chipotle Mayo. This is a perfect dipping sauce for anything. Fries, onion rings. You can even put this on your burger, your chicken, your salad, anything. This thing is amazing. So these are all the ingredients you'll be needing. So these are 2 peppers and adobo sauce. I like using this Chipotle powder from Flavor God. It's amazing. Half a lemon, 3 roasted garlics, kosher salt, some pepper, 2 egg yolks, and some light olive oil. You want to make sure to use light olive oil because if you use extra virgin olive oil, it's going to be way too strong and you're not going to get that flavor you really want. Now throw all of those ingredients into a food processor except the olive oil. Now give that a blitz. So after you gave it this quick blitz, what you're gonna do now is slowly add in some light olive oil and blitz it at the same time. Once that's about this consistency right here, your Chipotle Aioli is done. So let's talk about the Chipotle Aioli for a little bit, right? So I know a lot of people are a bit weary about eating the raw egg yolks, but it's totally fine. You could literally eat it. And if you didn't know, a lot of the sauces that are made in restaurants, the base of their sauce is egg yolks. So, don't be afraid to try it because it's actually a very good sauce. So yeah, you guys, here you go. The Chipotle Aioli. Don't forget to like and share, subscribe, and leave a comment to see what other things you guys want to see be made.